Okay, so let me remove this from the list for a moment. So I have a bunch of projects in Unity, but Rollerball isn't there because you saw me just, well, not delete it, but remove it from the list. I'm going to add, and I want to add the project Rollerball RVCC student sample student, open, and it sees that the target platform is 2019.3.0, and that's been added. So now I'm going to double click this and let Unity launch and open up my project. Okay, so I didn't bother recording all the time it took to load Unity, but here I am inside of Unity Rollerball RVCC sample student. This would be rollerball - your GitHub Classroom username. If I go under scenes, there is a scene named Rollerball. If I double click on that scene, I have a main camera and a light, but that's it. This is the blank scene that we start with. So if you are working with Unity in its default layout, then this is the way things will work. I have taken to working in a non-default layout for myself, but since most of you were probably working in this layout, I will do this project with the screen laid out this way. And so the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hop over to Chrome, and I'm going to learn.unity.com/tutorial/introduction-to-roll-a-ball. This should be in Canvas as a link as well. And this will take you to the Unity Learn segment on working with Rollerball. Now, I'm not going to play the videos because you can play the videos. So what I am going to do is just get into solving some of the tasks inside of the project and explaining some of the things that are happening that might not be explained in the videos. Okay, so let me get started on that.